You know, that Marry Me chicken that completely took over the internet? That creamy, dreamy, sun-dried tomato goodness that supposedly gets people to propose? Well, hold on to your hats because we're giving it the ultimate 2025 upgrade and it is going to blow your mind. Get ready for Marry Me Hot Honey Chicken. We retaking everything you love about the original and smashing it together with the #1 flavor trend of the year, hot honey. This isn't just a recipe, it's a phenomenon. We're talking crispy golden chicken tenders swimming in a luscious, creamy sauce that's got that perfect spicy sweet kick, and the best part? You can have this incredible restaurant quality meal on your table in about 20 minutes. Yes, you heard me right, 20 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, grab about a pound of chicken tenders. These are perfect because they cook up super fast and stay nice and juicy. We're going to keep the seasoning simple to let the sauce shine. Just a little salt, pepper, and about a teaspoon of garlic powder. Get them all coated nicely. Now, get a skillet hot over medium-high heat with a little oil. We're going to sear these tenders until they're beautifully golden brown and crispy on the outside. This should only take about 3 to 4 minutes per side. The goal here isn't to cook them all the way through just yet, but to get that amazing color and texture. Once they're looking gorgeous, take them out of the pan and set them aside. Just look at that crust. Now for the magic. In that very same pan, don't you dare clean it, we have all those delicious brown bits from the chicken. That's pure flavor. Turn the heat down to low and pour in half a cup of heavy cream. Right away, you'll see it start to bubble and mingle with all those tasty remnants. Next, we'll add our classic Marry Me element, about a quarter cup of chopped sun-dried tomatoes. I like to use the ones packed in oil for extra flavor, but just make sure to drain them a bit first. Let this simmer gently. You'll see the sauce start to thicken up in just a couple of minutes, and your kitchen will start to smell absolutely divine. Are you ready for the twist? Here comes the star of the show. We're stirring in 3 glorious tablespoons of hot honey. This is what takes the dish from amazing to unforgettable. The sweetness of the honey balances the richness of the cream, and that little hum of chili heat in the background cuts through everything perfectly. It creates this complex, addictive flavor that you just can't get enough of. Stir it in until it's completely melted into the sauce. Now it's time to reunite our beautiful components. Add the seared chicken tenders back into the skillet. Nestle them right into that creamy, spicy sweet sauce. Spoon some of that liquid gold over the top of each tender, making sure every single one is coated in all that deliciousness. Let it all bubble together for just another minute or two so the chicken can finish cooking through and soak up all the flavors of the sauce. Finally, to finish it off and add a touch of freshness, we're going to garnish with some fresh basil. Just tear the leaves and scatter them over the top. The bright herbal note of the basil against the creamy, spicy, and sweet sauce is just chef's kiss. It's perfection. And there you have it. Crispy, juicy, Marry Me hot honey chicken. It's the ultimate weeknight dinner upgrade. It's comfort food with a sophisticated, trendy twist. Serve it over pasta with some mashed potatoes, or just eat it straight out of the pan. I won't judge. I promise one bite of this and you'll understand why it's the next big thing. If you make this, you have to let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. That will make you look like a rock star in the kitchen. Thanks for cooking with me. See you next time.